Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a Cirrus White. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, coming around back we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Also comes with the convenience package, which is going to give you auto dimming mirrors, a garage door opener, a push start ignition. This one does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you navigation, rear view backup camera, our keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 28,761 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.